Hello,
Hi,
my name is Leo. What's your name?
my name is Mia.
Nice to meet you, Mia.
Nice to meet you too, Leo.
How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is. The weather is really nice.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes. I like spending time outdoors.
Me too. It's a good place to relax.
That's true.
What do you usually do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and listening to music.
That sounds interesting.
What about you?
I like playing sports and watching movies.
That's fun. What kind of movies do you like?
I like adventure movies.
Nice. I enjoy adventure movies too.
That's great. Maybe we have similar interests.
I think so.
Are you learning English too?
Yes, I am. I want to speak more confidently.
That's a great goal.
Thank you. Practice helps a lot.
Absolutely. The more we practice, the better we become.
I agree.
I'm happy we met today.
Me too. Was a nice conversation.
Have a wonderful day, Mia.
Thank you, Leo. Have a wonderful day too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Mini story. Leo and Mia met in the park on a beautiful day. They introduced themselves and started a friendly conversation. Mia said that she enjoys reading books and listening to music. Leo shared that he likes playing sports and watching adventure movies. As they talked, they discovered that they had some similar interests. They also spoke about learning English and the importance of practice. Both Leo and Mia wanted to improve their English-speaking skills. They enjoyed their conversation and felt happy to meet a new friend. Before leaving, they wished each other a wonderful day. It was a simple, friendly, and positive conversation. Practice time. Repeat after me. Hello. Hi. My name is Leo. My name is Mia. Nice to meet you. How are you today? I'm doing well. Thank you. It's a beautiful day. I enjoy reading books. I like watching movies. I am learning English. Practice helps a lot. The more we practice, the better we become. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.